When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal, functionality, and energy efficiency of your home in Mandeville, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing new windows. However, with so many different window styles available, choosing the right fit for your home can be a daunting task. The ideal window style will not only complement the architectural design of your house but also improve insulation, natural light, and ventilation. In this article, we'll explore the best window styles for Mandeville homes and help you make an informed decision about which style will provide the most benefits for your needs. Double-hung windows. Timeless and versatile. Double-hung windows are a classic and popular choice for homes in Mandeville. Featuring two sashes that slide up and down, double-hung windows allow for easy ventilation. You can open the top or bottom sash, providing control over the airflow in your home. Benefits. Double-hung windows are easy to clean and maintain, especially if they have tilt-in sashes that allow for cleaning from the inside. They also offer great versatility. Whether you're looking for a traditional design or a more modern finish, these windows can be customized to suit your home's aesthetic. Ideal for homeowners looking for a timeless look with excellent ventilation. They fit well in almost any type of home, from colonial to modern styles. Casement windows. Sleek and functional. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door, typically using a crank mechanism. These windows are a great choice if you want maximum airflow and unobstructed views. Because the window swings open, it creates a wide opening for air to flow through, which is especially beneficial in Mandeville's humid climate. Benefits. Casement windows are known for their tight seal, offering great energy efficiency. When closed, they form a tight seal that helps reduce drafts and prevents air leaks. They also allow for larger panes of glass, making them ideal for showcasing a beautiful view. Ideal for homeowners looking for maximum ventilation in a modern, sleek look. Casement windows are perfect for kitchens or living rooms where you want to capture a great view and allow plenty of fresh air in. Sliding windows. Modern and space-saving. If you have a smaller space or simply prefer a more contemporary design, sliding windows might be the perfect choice. These windows consist of two sashes, one of which slides horizontally to open. Sliding windows are a space-saving option, as they don't require any extra room for the window to swing open. Benefits. Sliding windows are low maintenance and easy to operate. They provide a wide opening for ventilation and natural light without requiring a lot of space for operation. These windows are also ideal for homes in high wind areas, as their streamlined design reduces the risk of damage in inclement weather. Ideal for homeowners with limited space or those looking for a modern, functional design. Sliding windows work well in living rooms, bedrooms, and bathrooms, especially when placed in tight spaces or next to other windows for added light and air. Picture windows. Maximizing light and views. If you want to highlight the natural beauty around your Mandeville home, picture windows are a fantastic option. These large, fixed windows don't open but provide an expansive view of the outdoors. They are perfect for showcasing the lush scenery of Mandeville, whether it's a garden, lake, or simply a well-landscaped yard. Benefits. Picture windows provide maximum natural light, brightening up any room. Because they don't open, they are also incredibly energy efficient, offering a tight seal that reduces air leakage. These windows can also be paired with operable windows, like casement or double-hung windows, to allow for ventilation while still providing an unobstructed view. Ideal for homeowners who want to take advantage of stunning views and natural light. Picture windows are great for living rooms, sunrooms, or dining areas that overlook scenic surroundings. Bay and bow windows. Dramatic and inviting. If you want to make a statement and add architectural interest to your home, bay and bow windows are excellent options. These windows extend outward from the exterior of your home and are typically made up of 3 or more panels. Bay windows usually consist of a larger center window flanked by 2 smaller windows at angles, while bow windows have a more curved design with 4 or more windows. Benefits. Bay and bow windows offer dramatic curb appeal and create additional interior space. Inside, these windows often serve as cozy reading nooks or spaces for seating. They also provide a wide view of the outside and bring in plenty of natural light. Ideal for homeowners looking to add a touch of luxury and sophistication to their home. These windows are perfect for living rooms, master bedrooms, or any room that could benefit from additional space and light. Awning windows. Ideal for rainy days. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a small awning that protects the window opening. These windows are particularly useful for letting in fresh air while keeping rain and debris out. In Mandeville, where sudden rain showers are common, awning windows are a practical solution for maintaining ventilation without sacrificing protection. Benefits. Awning windows offer excellent ventilation even in wet weather. Their tight seal and high durability make them ideal for areas prone to storms or heavy rainfall. Plus, they are a great option for high-up windows that might be difficult to reach. Ideal for homeowners who live in rain-prone areas or want a low-maintenance window that allows for fresh air without exposing the home to the elements. These windows work well in bathrooms or kitchens, especially when privacy and weather protection are key. Choosing the right fit for your home. Choosing the right window style for your Mandeville home depends on several factors, including your aesthetic preferences, functionality needs, and the architecture of your home. Each window style offers distinct advantages, so consider how you want your windows to perform and how they will fit into the overall design of your space. Take the time to consult with a professional to understand the best options for your home. Whether you're looking for energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, or better ventilation, there's a window style in Mandeville that will perfectly suit your needs. Conclusion. The right window style can transform your Mandeville home, providing both functional benefits and aesthetic appeal. From the classic charm of double-hung windows to the modern elegance of casement or sliding windows, there are numerous styles to choose from. Whether you prioritize energy efficiency, natural light, or curb appeal, selecting the right window style is an investment that enhances your home's overall comfort and value. Take the time to select windows that fit your lifestyle, and enjoy the benefits they bring to your home for years to come.